We have some exciting news from Coinbase. There is yet again another coin listed on Pro Coinbase this week. So if you're new here, definitely consider smacking that subscribe button. And if you're not new here, well, welcome back. So nice to see you in here. The coin that is being listed on Pro Coinbase is Polkadot, aka DOT. It is launching on Coinbase Pro starting today, Monday, June 14th. You can transfer your DOT into your Pro Coinbase account ahead of trading. You want to make sure your DOT is on Pro Coinbase for when the official launch, Wednesday, June 16th at 9 a.m. Pacific time. As long as the liquidity conditions are met, trading will resume. So keep in mind, the most volatility is on Pro Coinbase when we have these launches. So you want to make sure you have it on there before 9 a.m. PT time, Wednesday, June 16th. Scrolling down, they're saying, hey guys, we know you want more altcoins. We got a couple here for you. But the most important thing that I like to see here is seeing what trading pairs Pro Coinbase is listing. So they're going to have a USDT, a Bitcoin pair, a Euro pair, a British pound, and USDT. So that's pretty nice. A lot of fiat on ramps, as well as the good old, for all the people that are tethered up, they can go buy some DOT with their tether. Now, of course, if you're new here, you may not know Coinbase says they have 3 phases, but they really have 4 phases. We're about to go over that. The first phase is post-only mode. Then we have limit-only mode. And then it'll eventually get into full trading as long as liquidity conditions are met. But the fourth phase they don't tell you about is when it goes on Coinbase.com. Because the average person, the person that's just getting into crypto, they heard Elon mention Dogecoin, like, oh, I gotta go get some crypto. They download the Coinbase.com app and they use that. But Pro Coinbase is where it's at, guys. Definitely consider spending some time to learn how to use it. There is a video down below. It's called How to Save on Those Terrible Coinbase Fees. Definitely watch that if not already. But once it lists there's usually another pump because all the new people are now FOMOing into a project. So we're going to go over Polkadot. We're going to go over the price and what I think will happen with this listing. So we have Polkadot is a protocol that enables cross-blockchain transfers of any type of data or asset. By unting multiple blockchains, Polkadot aims to achieve high degrees of security and scalability. DOT serves as the protocol's governance token and can be used for staking to secure the network or to connect bond new chains. So as we see, guys, security and scalability, that's a big deal. You know, scalability is the big deal for what Ethereum. It's just having some issues. Hopefully they can work on that. And we see a lot of governance tokens. They're actually a big deal. So there's a lot of them out there. So it's not surprising to see DOT list on Pro Coinbase. Let's go check the current price action. We see currently it's up 20%. This was just announced like 15 minutes ago that it was listing on Pro Coinbase. So it's already pumping, guys. It has a 23.8 billion. Yes, for all the people in the back, $23.8 billion market cap. So in order for this thing to double, you're going to need to see about another $23 billion in it. Do I think that's going to happen over the next 2 days? I do not believe that's going to happen. Not at all. Well, when we head over to the charts, we're currently on the 4-hour chart. I mean, look at this nice, beautiful 4-hour candle. We even had one right here. I mean, just look at that. That's just amazing. See a nice pumpage. Possibly people on the inside already knew it was listing. They're like, hey, guys, buy the dip right here because we know it's going to pump. Guys, I do believe there's insider trading when it comes to listings like this. It's the wild, wild west. It's just how it works. So look at that. That definitely happened to me right there. Look at that. It pumped way before they even announced it. So hey, it is what it is. The cool thing is currently sitting just under $25 with a peak of around $25.38 today. I do want to look at some of the indicators. We see the MACD on the 4-hour, a lot of positive momentum, looking very, very good. Go back to the daily. We were cooling off. If we zoom in here on the MACD, we were cooling off here and it just shot right back up. So hopefully that continues. Let's get these back up into the positive territory, keeping that positive momentum on the histogram. That'd be really great to see. It's nice to see we are popping up, breaking through previous resistance we had here around the 2450. If we zoom in here, you can see right in here, you know, we had issues breaking that. That was resistance. We also had issues here, like a lot of wicks there. Let's see if we can finally break it. If we can break that, that's going to be great. Our next step is definitely $27. But with all this FOMOing that's going to happen, all the people that are just rushing into it, we'll probably easily see a $26 Polkadot in the next 2 days, because that's just how things work out. And also watch out for the buy the rumor, sell the news type of event. It's going to pump now because people are excited about it, but it's not necessarily going to have a massive pump on the day of listing. There may be like a liquidity issue where it pops up pretty high real fast and comes back down, but you're not actually going to be able to sell. So just keep that in mind, guys. Sometimes you see those prices, they go really high, but really, it was impossible to sell there simply because it was just like a liquidity issue on Coinbase. So that is what's going on with that. We'll zoom into the 1 hour, see how, wow, that 1 hour is looking really good. It's just straight up parabolic, nice positive momentum. That's what we like to see. At the same time, so with this listing right here, we also have Bitcoin's doing very, very well. Bitcoin it's back above $40,000, looking mighty fine. That's nice to see. Yes, on the 1 hour, it's pulling back right now, but that's normal, guys. That's normal. We're gonna have pullbacks. We're gonna have pumps. It's how it works. We see some of this fear and greed. It's cooling down a little bit. We're still in fear, but we're not extreme fear anymore. Crypto Twitter is getting very bullish. So how are things going to work out? As long as Bitcoin does very well, I expect Polkadot to do very well as well, simply because, Bitcoin's pretty much moves the entire market. Altcoins follow, and of course, there's always going to be outliers. So just keep that in mind. So what do you think is going to happen with this Polkadot listing on Wednesday, June 16th? You think we're going to see Polkadot double? You think it'll make a 50% move? Let me know down below. And just want to say thank you so much for tuning in today. Consider smacking that subscribe button if you're new here. And of course, give the video a thumbs up if you guys liked it. I'll catch you guys all in the next one. But until then, may the gains be with you.